Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a wig without a lace closure. So as you all can see, this cap is way too big, so I'm just going to pull down the excess to the edge of the cap and then sew it down. So this is how it's going to look like when I'm done sewing down the excess cap. So I'm going to be using the hot glue gun for this hair. And this is the hair I'm going to be using. The hair came in 3 bundles and it's very thin and not full. So I just added this extra one just to give it extra thickness and volume. I'll be cutting my tracks in this video, so I'll use a hot glue gun to place my track 1 finger width apart in a U pattern, and I'll repeat the method until I get to the top of the cap. I am still doing the same thing, laying down my track in a U form, still working my way until I get to the top of the cap. I already went ahead to use a piece of paper to divide the lace into 2, and the idea is to prevent that part from being stained by the hair glue, because that's the part we're going to be using. We're going to be exposing that part at the end of the wigging, because that is going to be our center part. I'm just going to use a pin to spread out the hair glue to cover all the lace. So guys, we're down to the most important part of this video, so please watch carefully, because I'm just going to show just one part of this this center part, just so the video is not so long. I'm going to place in a track on the lace facing me, like so, and then I'm going to place another one, maybe say 2 to 3 more, just so it's not so, I say a lot of so. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer so that the glue dries up fast. You know, we laid about 4 tracks in the opposite direction to me. Now I'm going to lay some tracks away from me. Just watch carefully, you will understand better. So it's now time to flip the first tracks that we laid in the opposite direction. Please, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and like it. I'm just going in with my hot coiler to flatten the part more, to reveal the lace underneath it. And this is the final look of the video. Please like the video, comment on your favorite part of the video, comment if you're going to try out this method, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.